With over 30 years of unmatched experience in the refueling at sea industry as well as Navy standard valves, Global SFC Valve has earned its reputation as the industry leader in the manufacture, assembly, testing of this equipment to help our customers in the U.S. Navy and NATO complete their increasingly demanding missions of the 21st century.
In accomplishing this, Global SFC Valve utilizes a range of industry-leading capabilities, including in-house machining, Navy nuclear TIG welding, pro-engineered solid modeling, hydrostatic testing, and tension testing.
What's so cool about manufacturing? The coolest part is it doesn't matter what career you want to go into. You could, if you're interested in IT or computers, there's a place in manufacturing for you. If you're interested in drafting and design, robots, additive manufacturing, accounting, cost accounting and estimating, there's marketing, there's sales, there's always a place for you in manufacturing, and that's what's the coolest part.
Being able to put your ideas into design and then see them come in and get made.
Manufacturing is cool because that's what keeps a lot of things moving from day to day. There's so many different...
What is cool about manufacturing? Well, they make carriers for submarines, fueling and unwrapped equipment.
Manufacturing is cool because it's a hands-on job and you actually get to see the product come along as you work on it.